simple and direct. Fix Valorant Low Client FPS after update. 1. Restart Riot Vanguard, most important. Updates often break Vanguard and cause FPS drops. Steps: 1. Close Valorant completely. 2. Right-click Vanguard icon in system tray. Exit. 3. Go to Control Panel. Uninstall programs. 4. Uninstall Riot Vanguard. 5. Restart your PC. 6. Open Valorant. Vanguard will reinstall automatically. 7. Restart once again when prompted. Number 2. Disable overlays. Major FPS drop cause. Turn off all overlays because they heavily affect FPS after updates. Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, Xbox Game Bar, AMD Relive, OBS recording apps. Number 3. Enable multi-threaded rendering. Sometimes updates reset graphics settings. Open Valorant settings, video, graphics, multi-threaded rendering on VSync off, material quality low, detail quality low, UI quality low, anti-aliasing none, or FXAA. Apply and restart the 4. Disable full screen optimizations. 1. Go to C. Riot Games Valorant. 2. Right-click Valorant.exe Properties. 3. Open Compatibility tab. 4. Check disable full screen optimizations. 5. Click Apply. 6. Do the same for Valorant Win64 Shipping.exe. Number 5. Update or reinstall GPU drivers. Game updates sometimes conflict with old drivers. Update your NVIDIA, AMD, Intel graphics driver. If FPS is still low, do a clean reinstall of drivers. Number 6. Set Valorant to high priority. 1. Open Valorant. 2. Press Ctrl-Shift-S Task Manager. 3. Go to Details tab. 4. Right-click Valorant N64 Shipping.exe. 5. Set priority high. 7. Close background apps. Close heavy apps like Chrome, many tabs, Overwolf, tracker apps, wallpaper engine, any screen recorder. Background apps plus new patch equals sudden FPS loss. Tracker 8. Reduce mouse polling rate if using gaming mouse. Set polling rate to 500 Hz or 1000 Hz and enable raw input buffer in Valorant settings. Very high polling rates can cause stutters and low client FPS. Number 9. Last fix. If update broke performance badly, reinstall Valorant completely. Or wait for the next patch. Some updates temporarily reduce FPS.